my friends. John LaRuffa coming here to you for another unbiased unboxing. And in this case, I'm actually in Essen, Germany. That's right, I got the very good fortune to come to Essen in 2019 for the Spiel convention the Spiel convention. And right now, we are going to unbox this big guy. All right, Trismegistus. So let's take a look. All right, so what does Trismegistus, the ultimate formula, have in store for us? Well, first of all, it starts with quite a nice box art cover, which usual size there, nothing special. Very nice back, kind of tells you what the game's about, what you're trying to do, shows a nice display of the components. At the show, I saw this splayed out, and it is quite large on the table here, so we'll see what we can do to unbox and show each and every one of you what you get. Now, apologize for this. I have to pick up the box using two hands, and I only have, well, my camera's not on my stand, so I have to do this kind of one-handed. All right, let's see what we've got. So first of all, bag of wooden components. Looks like they're nicely screen printed. We'll open that up in a second. Some plastic acrylic yellow cubes. Just gonna guess maybe those are gold. I don't know. As it is, we're transmuting for the ultimate formula. It's got to be gold, right? Nice big large cards there. There's stack deck right here. Okay, several baggies, which is good since I'm away from my home, and some nice little custom dice. So we're gonna take a look at those in just a second. In fact, let's not wait. Let's see what these little guys are all about. So this is really eye-catching to me. They just look lots of fun. Look at these things. Okay, so these are little teeny guys, custom, with the old alchemy symbols on them. And my guess is, you're gonna roll them, and that's gonna help with the gameplay. So they look pretty good. They're very easy to roll. No problems there. Nice quality. Now we've got the large rule book. Now I did see this online first, so this guy is a beast. And there's no way getting around it that this game is not going to take some doing to learn. Because as you can see, there's a lot of rules here. Now it's good. They've got a lot of illustrations, so that's going to help, I'm sure, immensely with the actual playing of the game. But lots of rules to read, and luckily I have a long flight ahead of me on my way home, so no problems there. No complaints, but I love the fact that there is a legend symbol on the back. That's always very helpful. And of course, there's easily forgotten rules, which is also very helpful. And I'm hoping a solo explanation someplace in here. I know there is, because it says 1 to 4 players. There we go, solo play. I love it. All right, so that's what we need there for solo. Now, these guys, these are nice. I saw them at the convention. They're double thick. The way you can slide things under them. They've got some indentations in here. They look great. This game just looks like it is up my alley with fun, where fun is concerned. So those are very high quality. Really like that. So we've got 1, 2, the shadow here, 3, 4, and 5. All the players there. Now, I don't know, it does look like there are some differences. Yes, I can see them right now. So as you can see, the icons are different in that center space over there versus this. So there's going to be some different player powers we're going to have to get an understanding of. Then we've got plenty of little tokens here. These are standard, maybe a little on the thin side from the thickness of the cardboard, but not the end of the world. I better be careful. I do not want to punch these out unless I'm ready to bag them. That may not be possible right now. These look nice. Very good. Very good artwork. Very happy with that. A sheet of these. And then the main board. So this thing is sprawling. In fact, I've got to go give it one of these for the old one-handed operation here. All right, so this guy is pretty large. Like I said, I saw this put out, and I was already looking forward to it before we got here, but the curb appeal sold it to me. So thank you, designers, for good curb appeal on this. So this board I saw at the convention. There were rolling dice, putting the dice over here. I can't remember exactly what was in this spot, but this goes in the center, nice centerpiece there. So that's the components. Now, let's just quickly see if I can open this bag here. I'm gonna have to inconvenience here for a second, pardon me. And let's see what we got. So we've got some color discs, most likely for the player colors right there. And then these tiles here, which look very good. Let's take a look. Okay, so these are nice. They're wood. They kind of have that feeling and heft of other wooden components you get, pretty standard. No problems there, but I like the fact that they have good, clean screen printing on them. They look very sharp. Variety of those. And let's take a quick look at the cards. This is always the hardest part, opening these one-handed. So we're going to see what we can do. Maybe we could just show you some components here while I try to open this up off camera. Very exciting components, I know. But this is a pain in the neck. All right, there we go, almost. Almost there. So hard to do one-handed. Sorry, folks. There we go. All right. Broke that out. What do we get here? All sorts of concoctions. So we got this red potion, blue potion, black potion, etc. So lots of different potions here. Good quality. Textures there. You can't really feel it so much, but these are fine. They're going to be easy to work with. So it looks like we have a variety of different potions there. Some player aids, some black cats. It's fun. Okay. And then, like I said, a lot of different potions here. Different things, we have to look at that. Okay, and then another deck here, which I'm sure is about the same thing. I'll try to open it here. See if I can get it open. That one came open a little bit easier. Okay, so these are some various looking scroll cards and other things, same quality as the other ones, so no problems there. Good artwork, very appealing, and some more potions, other things. So those are the components. I really appreciated the look and the style of this game. Can't wait to learn to play it. And again, I'm John LaRuffa. This has been another Unbiased unboxing, all the way from Essen, Germany. Take care, everybody.